Right, set the level up, push it in, and then quickly get the bubble in the middle. Now remember, it's always moving to your left hand thumb. So that is it now. Alright, so I'm going to level a number of these points when my son comes out to help me, and then I'll go into the next video, which is surveying these points, positioning them with 3 hair Stadia, and I'll position them with the total station, and then we'll go in and do chain and offset. Right, so I started doing the levelling myself, and then I got Chris to help me. So I had a back sight onto station A, then took all the intermediates and then closed it out. And what I'll do is I'll reduce these and then we'll survey them all, and then I'll show you the results of the whole lot of it. Okay? Right, what I've done here for 3 hair Stadia is I've set up the instrument, ideally a plumb dob, but if I hold the stone under there, it should almost drop on top of the nail. I don't know if you noticed that, but it did. So I've sighted on that staff there. I've got 0 degrees set on the instrument. I've taken my distances to the forward, well, back to station D, and then I'm going to go forward to B. Alright? Right, set up the station B. Let me see if my stone underneath here, it's going to get close. It's just on the edge of it. So again, I would have done it, if I'm going to do it properly, I would do it with a plumb bob. But this is basically just to show you how it all works, basically. So I've centered on the centre of the staff, turn my bearing round so that it's pointing 0, and then I can take my 3 hair Stadia, book it down, see what the angle is forward to the next station, which is that one over there, and then we'll carry on going round. From this one I'm going to pick up the details, so I'm going to pick up that IC and the 2 ends of that gate there, and I think we're doing some of the corners of the grid. Okay. Okay, I've surveyed the back station over there to the forward station, surveyed the manhole, a centre of IC, not manhole, corner post there which was 0, 0, left hand side of gate and right hand side of gate. I don't know if you can see the staff there. The angle I've recorded is 24120. Distance is still level, it's all good on the booking board. And we've got the IDs, the distances, and I'll continue going round, so I'll take the other 2 corners and then set up the other 2 stations. Okay? Right, I've set up, zeroed that one, got my bubble in the right place, 0 angle, bubble's good, you can see through there. Let's see if we can see where the staff is. Can you see the can you see the 3 hair Stadia on it? Maybe not. Anyway, it's there, believe me. So there's the booking sheet. So we've got the last angle to take. and ideally I could have made more space, but so we're taking back to C and then forward to A to close it all, and then I'll add up my angles and we'll see if it adds up to the n minus 2 times 180, which if we've got 4 stations, take away two stations, and the whole lot, the scheme should end up with 360 degrees. Alright.